Hey, what is up people? Vicky from Elementon back with another quick video, and I've been thinking about this for a very long time. Very long, right after I uploaded my last video, which is
Maybe last week.
last week, so a week ago. So Elementon is expanding. That's it, the short version of this video. Now let's get on to the longer version of this video, but first of all let me explain you why I started Elementon. So 2 years ago when I was in college, I developed this particular interest towards technology, majorly consumer electronics like smartphones, TVs, laptops, tablets, and then smartwatches and stuff. So apart from academics, I would spend some considerable amount of time in researching the latest tech trends that's been happening around me. So people who knew me in college would approach me to suggest them the best phones under say 15,000. So I would make an analysis and then tell him or her these are the best phones under this price range. Whatever I say is actually 2 years back, right before I started Elementon. So repetition happened. So after 2 days to 3 days, 3 days after, another set of people would come to me asking the same question, best phones under 15,000. So the questions were different, but the answer was the same, right? Because in 2 days, no new phones would have been launched. So I thought, why say it individually? Why not share it in a public forum? So that's how I started Elementon on January 1st, 2016. At first, I thought of, blogging, just writing blog posts about technology. But then I also had a similar interest on videography, like editing techniques, the transition techniques, and then slow motions and using preset packs and stuff. So I thought, why not combine both of my interest into a single one and then posting it in a suitable platform, which is YouTube. So that's how I chose YouTube over blogging and Twitter, Instagram and stuff. But 2 years before, my interest was only on technology, tech stuff, geeky stuffs and those. But then 2 years now, in 2018, I developed other similar interests like cooking, lifestyle, dressing, and then video editing techniques, like I mentioned, and then coding and travelogues and different other things. So I thought the main aim of this channel was to teach whatever I know to my audience, which is you. But now I know a lot of other stuff too. So I thought maybe I could teach all those through this established platform, which is Elementon. Basically, I'm documenting, right? So whatever I learn, whatever I know, I'm documenting them through this well-established YouTube channel. So documenting over creating, instead of creating something, focusing on how the product looks, I'm documenting each and every step of my life in this channel. So suppose say I become the world's greatest chef. People might know how I started cooking by browsing through my YouTube channel. So that's called documenting. That's it, all I wanted to share to you today. So the first thing I'm planning on expanding are those playlists. So as far as now, my playlists include top 10 of tech, and then let me explain series, reviews, and then rewinds, and then we have tips and tricks. So these are all concerned with tech stuff. So what I'm planning on doing is clubbing all those videos into a single playlist called tech, and then introducing similar other playlists like one for food, one for lifestyle, one for motivation, one for programming, and one for other tips and tricks like how to edit a video and how to start a YouTube channel and things like that. So basically expanding the horizon of Elementon into multiple domains. So that's it. I'll have the playlist names in the description. Be sure to check them as well. If you have some suggestions, then drop them on the comments below. I'll be right there listening to them. That's it. Show me some love by giving it a thumbs up. Then be sure to follow me on other social media. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Hey, what is up, techies? Vicky from the Elementon.
It's people.
Yeah, not techies anymore. People.